Welcome to your sister support. Now watch me turn this physical therapy. This that fix your crown energy.
Hello, my sister. Welcome back to your sister's support. So, right there, I know exactly what you're thinking. Is he really thinking about me? Does he even care? Can I actually make him obsessed with me? Let me tell you something. You already know the truth, and deep down, you've always known. Your SB is thinking about you right now. They're wondering about you. They're craving your energy. They're pulled back to you again and again, no matter what. The question isn't if they're thinking about you. The question is why do you doubt it? You've already decided this is your reality, right? And I'm about to show you exactly how to look at him. How to make them obsess over you, crave you, and not be able to get you out of their mind at all. It's time to erase every doubt, every fear, and step into the magnetic power that's always been yours. So here's the deal. Do you honestly think that your SP is not thinking about you right now? Do you really believe that they're living their life with no thoughts of you? Think again. They're thinking about you constantly right now as you're watching this. They're thinking of your voice, your energy, your essence. They're feeling a pull towards you and they can't shake it. You are their obsession, even if they don't know it yet. You're questioning it, aren't you? Thinking, how do I know for sure? Well, guess what? You don't need to know exactly what's going on in their mind. What you need to know is that you have already claimed them. They're thinking about you whether you see it or not, whether they admit it or not. This is the reality you have created. Now you have to believe it, own it, persist in it. Your SV is feeling it right now as you're watching this. Their thoughts are circling back to you. They can't stop thinking about you. You are the thought that interrupts their peace. Every time they try to go through their day, they're haunted by your energy, by the way you make them feel. Imagine this. They're sitting there midnight, their business, and bam, your name flashes in their mind. They can't help it. They start wondering, what is she doing right now? Their heart races when they think about you. They're checking their phone more often, just hoping they'll see your name pop up. They keep wanting to text, but their fear holds them back, wondering if you feel the same. But let me tell you this, they're obsessed with you. Every time they look at their phone, they think of you. Every time they hear a song, they think of you. You are irresistible to them. And no matter what they tell themselves, no matter how much they try to distance themselves, they are drawn back to you. Stop doubting it. You're not just in their thoughts, you've taken over their mind. You're their addiction. And you won't even have to try, my sister. Here's the truth. You don't need to wait for signs. You don't need them to come and tell you that they're thinking about you. They already are. Why do you keep doubting? Do you think they're going to tell you? No. They're going to show you though. Every action they take, every hesitation, every moment of them pulling away, it's just them resisting the inevitable. They can't resist you. They can't escape this pull. You are the one they can't forget. You are the one they can't stop thinking about. Don't you dare let doubt creep in. Don't you dare let those thoughts of maybe they're not really thinking about you take over, alright? You have already claimed them. Your energy has already marked them. You know it, I know it, they know it. They're coming back, they're reaching out. The only thing that's left is how soon. Now I want you to say this with me. I am the one they think about. I am irresistible. They cannot escape my energy. Feel that. Feel that certainty that you've already got them. They're obsessed with you. No amount of time or distance will change that. You are the one they crave. There is no more doubt. There is no more wondering. They're already on their way back to you because you've magnetized them. And now it's time to step fully into your power, fully into your dark feminine energy. You don't just want them, you command them. Yes, sister. You are the one they can't resist. You are the one who rules their mind. If you're feeling this energy, if you know you've already claimed their obsession, drop a heart in the comments and say it's done. Own your power. And if you're ready to go deeper into this energy, if you're ready to stop doubting and start manifesting like never before, grab your Dark Feminine Planner. It's in the description box. It's an instant download and powerful spells, affirmations, and a step-by-step guide to manifesting your desires. This is your key to unlocking the magnetic power every single day. Don't just sit back, take action. You know it's already done. You know they're thinking about you right now. It's time to claim it, my sister. Like, subscribe, and let's keep manifesting your dream life. You are irresistible. You're magnetic, and your SV cannot resist you. See you in the next video, my loves. And remember, own your power. I love you so very much, my sister. Take very, very good care of yourself.
Is it your girl, your guy, your intimate sister? You're dating, you got this.